Welcome back. Subscribe and keep learning with us every day. Ready for another video? Let's go. There was a small blue car named Benny. Benny lived in a quiet village with green trees and small roads. One sunny morning, Benny woke up early and said, "Today, I want to go to the city." He drove out of the village and followed the big road. There were many cars, buses, and trucks on the way. Benny was excited but also a little nervous. "This is my first time in the city," he said. When Benny arrived in the city, everything looked so big and busy. The buildings were tall. The streets were full of people and cars. There were traffic lights, honking horns, and many signs. Suddenly, Benny saw a red balloon flying across the road. A little girl was crying. Benny quickly drove forward and stopped the balloon with his mirror. The girl smiled and waved. "Thank you, little car," she said. Next, Benny drove past a music shop. He heard someone playing the piano inside. Benny stopped and listened. He moved his wipers like dancing arms. People laughed and took pictures. After that, Benny saw a big truck that couldn't move. It was stuck in the middle of the road. Benny had an idea. He drove behind the truck and pushed it slowly with his bumper. Finally, the truck moved. Everyone clapped and cheered for Benny. At the end of the day, Benny felt happy and proud. He helped people, made them smile, and had fun. The city was big and noisy, but also full of nice surprises. When the sun went down, Benny drove back to his village. "What a big day for a little car," he said. And then he went to sleep, dreaming of his next adventure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.